दिल बानो दिल करार है कहो ना प्यार है कहो ना प्यार है.
Smiling faces singing Bollywood songs. This is how I was welcomed in Gili Trawangan. This is me, Sanjana Prakash, sharing my island experience. This dreamy island with no motorized vehicles kept me active and yet gave me the space to enjoy the laid-back island life. Do you like the peaceful sunrise or do you like the buzzing sunset? Do you like to be on beach all day long or do you like to be underwater or do you like to party all night? Whatever your vibe is, Gili Islands will match you. My underwater experience was superlative. Although a bit scared once in water, it felt like home. Gili evenings are nothing short of magic. The sunset looks straight out of a magical, mystical painting. The galloping horses on the beach shacks with the best decor and music creates an electrifying vibe. Gili Trawangan is known as the party island. This place comes alive during the night. There are so many parties happening all around that there is such a celebratory vibe that is created. And even if you're not the one to party, being here in Gili Trawangan is an experience to remember for sure. When on an island hopping is a must. And amongst the islands I visited, I enjoyed Lombok the most. Lombok can be best described as a treasure trove of natural ethereal beauty with several waterfalls. And I visited one of these waterfalls. The path to get here was quite a hike. Standing in front of this beautiful waterfall, which exuded so much power and magic, made it all totally worth it. And next, I visited the Lombok Wildlife Park, and although initially I was a bit skeptical about the ethical nature of such wildlife parks in general, seeing most of the animals enjoying their own element and be happy around the staff relaxed me and allowed me to enjoy this beautiful experience. The whole wildlife park looked like a luscious green forest. Some animals were to be observed from a distance, some animals were to be fed from a distance, and there was also an option to interact closely with few other animals. As I walked with the pelicans admiring their beauty, one pelican didn't like this at all and did not even hesitate a bit to show me that. And one thing common about all these animals was their acute awareness of their surroundings and keen observation and curiosity. And this is how the island experience that I had dreamt of came to life. The geographical isolation of an island and its close proximity to water creates an energy that allows us to disconnect from all the distractions and connect to our original home, the earth. This close encounter and daily interaction with nature creates a sense of freedom and liberation through simplicity. And I left Gili Trawangan feeling incredibly nourished by Mother Earth and a deep sense of gratitude.
Thank you, Sanjana.